Hello everyone, I'm just going to do a quick recording to show you a couple things. One is you should have done the note-taking practice assignment as well as the discussion on integrative leadership. So the only things that you have to do by Monday is the final oral presentation. So if you click on this, read what you have to do. You can just summarize all the ideas and just concentrate on what you heard about the three domains of leadership and just talk about that, because the other two short videos, the same information you kind of learned and reinforced here. So you can just use that as your main points and then come up with an introduction, talk about the ideas, and then conclusion. So now the easy way for you to do this instead of saving, uploading, all that. So you can just click on reply and then go here, see where it says record upload media, this particular one. Just click on it, click on upload record media, and you see this record. Use this and you can simply record onto the canvas right here, and once you're done it'll appear here. So that's how it'll be. It's as simple as all that. So once you do that, then you can listen to two others and give some feedback. The other one that I would definitely like you to do is this course reflections and feedback. Just answer these 10 questions. That'll help me to plan for next semester. Then after like Sunday, this quiz will be open for you. But before that, listen to this lecture, take notes, understand what it's saying, because you will definitely need to listen to this lecture for your oral presentation. And that'll help you with the Unit 3 quiz. Once you've submitted this, you are done. So you can be done as early as Sunday night. And all this, you can be done by Sunday. So you're free after that. So, and in fact, this and this, you can even finish earlier than Sunday. So that's pretty much what you have to do. And I'm just going to quickly show you, once you post your oral presentation, how it will look if you have to see what you have recorded. For example, a student here has posted the recording, and this is how it'll look like once you finish and post, and then you can play it and then reply and say, hey, you did this, and so on and so forth. Hope everything is clear and you will be able to do all the work. Good luck. If something is not clear, email.